down here at SyFy Bartow. There's SyFy Sean wandering by. And we're all set up over here and getting ready to go.
Write it on a napkin.
Yep.
We got you.
We got it. That's right.
Make it happen.
They got it.
Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Oh man, those
These
are awesome.
guys look amazing.
Yeah.
See, that's back to like the
Yeah,
really
Charles,
dark.
oh, you're and you and Kib over there with at the Connor's table and doing stuff. You're a cosplayer, man. What do you think of these cosplays this year? This year they were really rocking, weren't they?
Yeah, I think the steampunk theme was a huge hit, and I've seen some incredible cosplays.
Do you guys do any steampunk stuff? You ever kind of?
At one time I made a steampunk Tony Stark, but that's about as far as I've.
A steampunk Tony Stark?
Like the hand and everything?
Yeah, it had the hand.